The sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 9, and we need to find that 2-digit number. So first of all, the first thing in this case is we need to let 2-digit number is equal to something we need to write here. Let me explain that to you. And the number obtained after reversing the digit. So very important question for your board examination point of view, number obtained after reversing the digit. So if you understand these two things, then this question will become very easy for you all, reversing the digits. So let me explain this question, how to add the 2-digit number. Suppose, let me explain this thing with the help of the example to you first. The example for this one is, suppose a 2-digit number is, suppose if it is 26, 2-digit number is 26. So 1 digit is 2 and 1 digit is 6. 1's place is 6 and 10's place is 2. So this number can also be written like this. This 2 is at which place? At 10's place. So it can be written as 10 into 2 plus, and this 6 is written at 1's place plus 6. We can write like this. 26 can be written like this, 10 into 2 plus 6, or not? Yes, okay. Suppose if I let the number is 10's place is x and 1's place is y. So how can I write like this, in this way? Very good. 10x plus y. So a 2-digit number can also be written like this, 10x plus y. So 10's place is x and 1's place is y. So what we need to do here in this case is, let 2-digit number be 10x plus y. Okay. Now if I reverse the digit, now look at this, in this case, if I reverse the digit, so what happen? If I reverse the digit, so this number will become, this 26 will become 62, right? So 62 can be written as 10 into 6 plus 2, right? 10 into 6 plus 2. So if I reverse the digit of this xy, so this become yx, right? And yx can be written as this, y is at which place? At 10's place. So 10 multiplied with y, yes, you are saying absolutely right, 10y plus x. So after reversing the digit, the number obtained is 10y plus x. So you need to let, this is very important question. In this question we need to let the 2-digit number like this, in this way. So then it is easy to solve it. So this is the explanation part. You do not need to write this when you are solving the question. You do not need to write this thing in your solution. This is for your explanation. Now let us move according to the question. Let us form the equations. According to question, look at this, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. So what are the digits of this 2-digit number? Digit is x and y. So what is the condition? Very good, x plus y is equal to 9. So this is equation 1. Now if you read question further, 9 times this number. So what does it mean? 9 multiplied with the number. So what is the number? Number is 10x plus y. 10x plus y. Is means equal to sign. Twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. Twice means 2, and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 10y plus, yes, good, 10y plus x. Now let us simplify this. It become 90x, 9y, 20y and 2x. Simplified, it become, if I shift this on that side, 88x. If I shift this 20 on this side, minus 11y is equal to 0 on this side. Now let us solve these equations. So take 11 common here. It become 8x minus y equal to 0. So let us solve this, take this 11 in the denominator of 0, it become, this is the equation. So now let us solve this question with the help of substitution method. It is easy. Now find the value of y from here. Y is equal to 8x. So suppose this is equation 2. Now what you need to do? Put equation number 2 in equation 1. Put equation 2 in equation number 1. So what we have obtained? So this is equation 1. So we have obtained x plus 8x equal to 9. So 9x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 1. Now what is the value of y? So from equation 2, y is equal to 8 into 1, y is equal to 8. So what is that number? So the 2-digit number is, anyone?
10 into 1 plus 8.
Yes, it is. Number we have let xy. We have let number xy, x into y. So that number is, or we can write like this. It can be written as 18. 18 is the number, and it can also be written as 10x plus y. 10x plus y. If you put the values here 10, and if you put the value of x and y, x is 1, y is 8. It's equal to 18. So 18 is the answer in this case. I hope this question is clear to you all.